Hi everyone and welcome back. So today I'm going to try to find out how does Lisianthus seed really look like, because usually or most of the time when I buy Lisianthus seed they are pelleted because they're supposed to be very tiny. So I just want to figure out how tiny is this Lisianthus seed really is. So here I think this pot is the seed pot for Lisianthus, but if I'm wrong please correct me. But this one look like the seed pod for the Lisianthus, and judging from the color of the seed pod I believe this seed pod is not matured yet. However, I still gonna cut it up and see how does it look like inside the seed pod, and hopefully to see the Lisianthus seed inside the pod. So the pod is a little bit slimy inside as I touch the seed pod, and yes, as you can see the seed look like not matured yet. It look very young seed. If you can see inside, I'm gonna squeeze. Yes, so that look like the Lisianthus seed, and there's a lot of them in that one seed pod. I'm going to try to separate them here so you can see how tiny the seed is. Yes, the seed is tiny. You can still handle the seed with toothpick, but it is tiny, and I'm not sure if the seed here is matured or not. But what I'm going to do is I am going to try germinate this seed and see if it's going to grow into Lisianthus plant. How about that? Yes, I think I'm going to do that. I'm going to try to germinate this seed and see if it's going to grow into Lisianthus. So here's how the seed look like. I will show you the close-up of this seed so you can see how tiny is the individual seed. Let's see. So this is the close-up of the Lisianthus seed and the pod for the seed. So I'm going to try to separate the cluster of seed here into individual seeds so you can see how tiny is the individual seed. It is really tiny. And this is one of the things that I really want to see with my own eye, because usually it's always pelleted, and I know it's not a big deal. It's just, sometimes you just want to know how does thing really look like, or how does thing really work. So there you go, one mystery solved. This is just for fun. Anyway, I'm going to try germinate this seed, and I'm gonna update you if it's grow into Lisianthus. So that's it for today. And if you like the content of our channel, consider subscribing to our channel, and I see you next time. And if the seed really germinate into Lisianthus seedling, I will give you the update. And if there is no update, that means the seed didn't work. So see you next time.